I'm Black. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Iwefo. I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. And if you're just stopping by, hello there, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how to do glue application, and we're going to be starting with the bald cap. So as you all know, I love to do the bald cap because it just protects the person's hairline and also adds or rather gives that scalp illusion when you section the hair. So I'm using the event spray. So if you don't want to waste so much time when you're doing the bald cap, you need to use a stronger hold spray. It is better to dry in cold air so that way your client don't get uncomfortable with the heat. I'll be using the scalp healer palette from Hair by NE to tone the cap so that way it's not so white or too beige. And then I like to do this before cutting the excess cap so that way we don't have so much product on the client's skin, because we wouldn't want to, in the process of wiping it out, stress the skin because the glue wouldn't stay when the skin is sore.
Why didn't you call? Why didn't you?
I'm going to be preparing the skin for glue application, and all I'll be using is a wipe and skin protectant. So first I'm going to go over it using a clear wipe or a clean wipe to take out the product and maybe oil residue on her skin, and then I'm going to go over it with my skin protectant. So after that, I'm going to give it some time for the product to set into the skin. For glue application, I like to fit the wig so that way we know if it's going to work or not, if it needs to be fixed. The wig is too big, so trust me, it's better for the wig to be too big than for it to be too small. But what I have here, we can work with. So I'm going to position it well and then pull it backward.
Why didn't you call? Why didn't you? Why didn't you?
I'm going to start my glue application, and I'm going to be acknowledging some features just to make sure it fits her face. So you see where my comb is, the frontal is going to come up to that point. I'll be going over the bald cap with my glue, so I'm just going to do tiny amount and then spread it out. So then after that, I'm going to wipe my comb and then use the tail to press the bald cap into the skin, so that way it's going to leave that part really flat. If you are still watching this video and you are enjoying it and learning one or two from it, and you're yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I post a new video. So I decided to make this very easy for you guys. So from the arc of the brows, you're going to place 2 dots, one on one side, one on the other side, and then you're going to connect the dots just like this. And then after that, you're going to just spread the glue carefully into the skin. From the tail of the brows, I'm going to place my comb so you see what I'm talking about. So you're going to just do 1 dot and then create that arc and take it into the head. So that way, by the time you're done with the install, it's going to give that really snatched illusion.
This how the realists get made. Gunshots and casket drops and hood spots. Tweaking, selling them hood dots. The highest bidder, politicians and good cops. I swear I seen it, so I went and got me a good watch. Can't tell the time no more. Graduated to Henny, so we never whine no more. Grew up in urban ghettos, that's the reason why we pull up. Take this liquor to the liver and post up with your mates and be delivered. Got some drinks on the kitchen counter. Got my heart rolling on my sleeve. Got some freaks coming in the hour. These are just my needs. Got the drinks on the kitchen counter. Got my heart rolling on my sleeve. Got some freaks coming in an hour.
I'm going to do the same for the other side, and in order for this to adhere really well, you need to let it clear on its own. Please don't try to force it with your dryer. And once it clears up, you can use your dryer in warm air for like 5 seconds to make it tacky before you go over it with the unit.
Lower living only come with stairs, we trying to elevate it. That's some food for thought, got meals planned, cause we preparated. How we learn, we was taking notes like it's annotated. Bodies drop, see with my own eyes, it wasn't animated. Protect your head, watch your front and back, that's how you calibrate it. And I'm still alive, that's what the I keep on celebrating. Got some drinks on the kitchen counter, got my heart rolling on my sleeve. Got some freaks coming in the hour, these are just my needs. Got the drinks on the kitchen counter, got my heart rolling on my sleeve. Got some freaks coming in the hour, these are just my needs. Got some drinks on the kitchen counter, got my heart rolling on my sleeve. Got some freaks coming in the hour, these are just my needs. Got the drinks on the kitchen counter, got my heart rolling on my sleeve. Got some freaks coming in the hour, these are just my needs.
That'll be the end of today's video. I hope it was really insightful. Do let me know if you'd like to see part 2 on how to install, so I can quickly put that video together for you guys. So is there any other thing you'd like to see here on my channel? Do leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you next time.
Moras pa' que ningen en